Technology in motion. Witness the power of modern engineering in action as machines conquer challenges. From cutting-edge precision to raw strength, this is innovation at its peak. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated. Let's dive right in. Always stay alert, unexpected things happen. Planning and caution can make all the difference. I'm sorry, but this won't end well, he admits. The rope held strong. Or maybe we just found a real-life Spider-Man. Do you see the spark of brilliance? It's nothing compared to the lessons learned today. A small mistake can cause long-term pain. No way. This job is challenging, even when every detail is carefully planned. But perhaps it's a learning opportunity for the future. An old Kentucky farmer's trick. Use wheels under chains to pull stumps more easily. There are so many people out there with chainsaws, but not enough common sense to keep themselves safe. You see these trees? They're not your average trees. They're leaning, they're unpredictable, and they're a real danger to anyone nearby. Luckily, we've got these two brave guys who know exactly what they're doing. It's a delicate operation, but they're up for the challenge. Hey there, lumberjack. Ever wished you could waltz with a giant? Well, the Ponce Ergo 8W Harvester is your dance partner. This beauty's got a swanky rotating cabin, a purring Mercedes engine, and a crane that makes you feel like a conductor leading a symphony of trees. Come on, let's get this show on the road. A showdown, man versus tree. They aimed for the roots, dreaming of a jackpot, but underestimated Mother Nature's strength. This image captures a living relic of woodworking, history in Huron, Norway. This water-powered sawmill has been running since the late 1500s. Subscribe to stay updated on boosting productivity and streamlining your wood processing with innovation. Powered by advanced technology. Drop A1 in the comments if this video blew your mind. Your support fuels our creativity. Power. With this 630 horsepower Ahui RT 800 monster of the forest battlefield, that stubborn stump stood no chance. The CNN Boga Yen730A is a machine I trust without hesitation. Engineered for durability, simplicity, and power, it handles engines of all types, whether diesel or electric. Timber expert ventures into uncharted territories seeking monumental logs. This time, he heads to Alaska, home to some of the largest trees, boasting diameters up to 40 inches. This chainsaw is an absolute beast, the Stihl MS-881. With its massive 67-inch bar, it cuts through logs like butter. Powered by an 8.7 horsepower engine, sending sawdust flying everywhere, the smell of wood. It's nothing short of impressive. Battling against the fierce inferno, during those critical moments in an epic head-to-head battle, the Husqvarna 572 XP and Stihl MS-460C faced off. Both chainsaws demonstrated impressive cutting power, making the competition incredibly intense. At Tyrawidi Timber Training, the newest recruit successfully felled a massive pine tree, measuring over 3 meters in diameter. Despite challenging access, skillful technique, and the powerful Stihl MS-6, freezing temperatures, icy wood, and heavy snowfall create treacherous conditions. Yet these workers, equipped with the TDT-55 machine, conquer every obstacle, completing the job with excellence. Their resilience and expertise are truly remarkable. The VTZ Plus from Meber is a fast vertical band sawmill, featuring a tilted log carriage for efficiency. Designed for high capacity, precision-oriented sawing, its innovative design delivers speed, energy efficiency, and exceptional wood recovery. This cutting-edge sawmill sets new standards, making it an excellent choice for precision and productivity in modern wood processing operations. Behold the Jarkrak Eva Pro Larakaraham, a powerhouse unleashed in the forestry world. Mud, muck, and treacherous terrains tremble before its might. This forwarder doesn't just work, it dominates, transforming logging nightmares into effortless triumphs. Think all chainsaws are created equal? Watch this video and witness the monsters in action. With V8 engines and massive cutting blades, this is the most exciting thing you'll see today. Check out the TigerCat 635 skidder. This machine, with 200 horsepower, navigates rough terrain effortlessly. Its four-wheel drive and high ground clearance ensure unmatched stability, making it the ultimate companion for any logging adventure. Powered by a 37 to 245 horsepower electric motor for unmatched performance, with a 1,200 to 1,300 millimeter disc, it handles logs with precision, capable of splitting logs up to 510 millimeters. With a force of 32 to 45 tons, it's a game changer. Truly exceptional. Meet the Pezzolato TLC 1300. It's powered by a 37 to 245 horsepower electric motor for unmatched performance. With a 1,200 to 1,300 millimeter disc, it handles logs with precision, capable of splitting logs up to 510 millimeters. With a force of 32 to 45 tons, it's a game changer. And now, let's talk about the Dinaka 1300. This powerful machine is razor sharp, versatile, and ready to tackle any task. You'll be amazed at its capabilities. Using a snatch block pulley system with a 21-to-1 mechanical advantage, provides a powerful force multiplier. It makes stump removal much more manageable, necessary to overcome the stump's resistance. Look at this one, just incredible. Searching for power and versatility in the woods? Look no further than the OS 870 Helgum. This powerhouse, can effortlessly handle loads of up to 12 tons. Its advanced leveling system keeps it steady, even on the most rugged terrain. Whether you're hauling logs or processing timber, this machine can do it all. But watching someone tackle a problem with creativity, this DIY log splitter nails it. Smart, effective, and just plain awesome. I bet everyone who sees it wishes they had one. Introducing the Excavator SGM1100, a game changer for efficient log debarking. Its flexible rotor technology, paired with pneumatic plates and hydraulic adjustments, delivers top-tier performance. Designed to handle logs of various sizes, from 140 to 1,000 millimeters in diameter. Ever seen a machine shred logs in seconds? The Titan HEM 920 takes down even the biggest trees. Its raw power is truly unbelievable. How long do you think it takes to clear a forest? It could clear an entire forest. The Ponzi Wisent is revolutionizing forestry. Its 8-wheel drive system offers unbeatable traction and stability. Plus, the ergonomic cabin keeps operators comfortable and productive for hours. It's the ultimate machine for long, demanding shifts. I can already tell what you're thinking. How satisfying is this to watch? There's something mesmerizing about that raw power at work. You just can't look away, can you? With the Husqvarna T540 XP2 chainsaw, climbers can easily tackle challenging branches. It delivers precise cuts, even at hard-to-reach heights. Always maintain balance and control, ensuring safety during operation. With its power and precision, tree cutting from above has never been easier. Although these birch trees are dangerously close to buildings, posing a significant risk, modern preparation and machinery ensure the task is handled safely and effectively. The second tree had a larger diameter than the chainsaw was tall, but with skill and precision, it was no challenge. Wow, this machine is unstoppable. As the dust settles and engines roar, a skilled operator steps in. With precision, they tackle the toughest challenges. Every second counts in this high-stakes job. Precision and focus are everything. The Raver 1250 AC is a true game changer. Designed for wood processing at its finest, with a 1.2-ton capacity, it's built for reliability. Its efficiency and performance redefine productivity, a must-have for serious forestry operations. It's innovation you can count on. Now, meet the John Deere H45, your forest's new best friend. With precision cutting and exceptional durability, it's ready to take on the toughest jobs. But the real question is, can anything withstand its relentless power? Don't miss these incredible moments. The Cambio 800 debarker and Seam 750 combine to form a wood processing dream team, effortlessly stripping bark from logs, making it look easier than peeling a banana. Meet the Chippertrick Cobra M593, the lumberjack's secret weapon. With a powerful 150 horsepower engine, it devours branches like snacks, Ever seen a tree vanish in seconds? This machine will leave you amazed. Introducing the Rod 800, a mulcher like no other. It transforms thick landscapes with incredible ease. Compact and agile, it navigates tight spaces effortlessly. Your ideal partner for land clearing missions, ready for adventure. Say goodbye to stubborn trees. The mighty Woodcracker C550 is here, with a cutting force of up to 55 tons and a jaw opening of 950 millimeters. What makes it so efficient at snapping logs like twigs? Stay tuned to find out its secret. Curious about what makes a wood sawing machine? Stump mining is critical for land optimization. It prepares the ground for energy production and enhances soil quality for the future. This sustainable process benefits forestry greatly. But here's something to consider. How much energy can be harnessed from these stumps? But wait, there's no stopping now. Oh, I bet you've never seen this before. I once watched a crew take down a dead tree. It was an incredibly intense process. The climber was high up, with branches creaking under every step. The tension in the air was palpable. When the top finally came down, it was such a relief. It really makes you respect the risks they take. Could this get any worse? Always remember to check all angles. Cutting trees is not just a task, it requires skill, focus, and precision. It could have been disastrous. Can you explain why people often underestimate these dangers? Don't worry, I'm an expert, he says confidently. Let's see how it goes. He knew the risks, so he always planned ahead. When someone is in need, teamwork makes all the difference. Hurry, run before the tree falls. The damage could have been far worse. Despite all the warnings, he chose to take a chance. He seemed to have foreseen this outcome. This is a challenging move. Never underestimate the strength of nature. Ladders and tree felling don't mix safety first. That's why experts avoid them. All right, let's take a look at this. This shows how fast things can go wrong when you're dealing with trees. This guy got really lucky. It's a solid reminder that even the smallest mistake can lead to serious consequences. Hey everyone, I want to show you something really cool. This is the Willa P-Wadwa or WD to 100 halves. 40M, and it's like the ultimate sawing machine. It's got two arbors, equipped with multiple circular saw blades, allowing for simultaneous cutting of a single workpiece into multiple pieces. The blade spacing is adjustable, giving you precise control over the width of each cut. This translates to increased efficiency and reduced waste. This saw is perfect for anyone who wants to get the job done fast. Now this is what I call a saw, the Log Ripper X09. That 900mm tungsten blade brings back memories, but with a modern twist. It cuts through 370mm of hardwood like butter. Mount it on your excavator, and you're ready for anything. This wood peeler may look like an old relic, but don't be fooled by its simple design. The results are seriously impressive. Let's dive into the footage and see this little marvel in action. A 7,000-pound log, a true giant, is hoisted over a structure. Ever wondered how watching a tree fall could be awe-inspiring? This video of massive hemlocks being felled will show you why it's so captivating. The sheer size and power on display are humbling. Some scrap metal and a ton of creativity, bam. He made a fully functional firewood splitter. It may not win any beauty contests, but its efficiency speaks for itself. Check out the results, you'll be amazed. Look at this expert handling the 6-foot log like a toy. Should we call him a lumberjack or a demolition master? Either way, he's a true craftsman. Neither mud nor rugged terrain is a match for him. Timber felled in the blink of an eye. 3 minutes, that's all it took. Nature's giants topple swiftly to their skill. The TST-800 Tower Yarder is a game changer for timber transportation in tough terrain. Steep slopes and tight spaces are no match for its precision. It may not haul massive loads. It handles every log with the utmost care, delivering them in perfect condition every time. This makes it a favorite among forestry professionals. Want to tackle those massive logs in your yard? The Montana MD90 is here to save the day. This portable bandsaw, powered by a 33-kilowatt motor, can handle logs up to 900mm thick. Turning those massive logs into fine lumber has never been this easy. Unleash your inner craftsman and get started today. Are we sure that bridge can handle that truck? I can't believe they're attempting to cross it. Sways like a ticking time bomb in the canopy, demanding urgent intervention. Its unsteady position mid-fall poses a significant risk. One wrong move could release immense energy, resulting in catastrophic outcomes. A seasoned arborist, armed with expertise and the right tools, can safely eliminate the threat, restoring stability to the forest ecosystem. A cutting board so stunning, it's practically a masterpiece. I wouldn't even know where to start cutting on something this beautiful. The LogMax 6000B harvester redefines power, optimizing forestry operations with ease. Capable of handling even the largest trees, its advanced hydraulics and robust build boost productivity in the forest while reducing maintenance costs and significantly boosts harvesting yields. It was a heart-stopping moment, but thankfully he emerged unharmed, despite a deeply bruised leg. In areas where power lines cross rugged, mountainous or remote terrains, traditional pruning methods are nearly unfeasible. Thus, contractors have embraced an ingenious solution. Oh my God, this is woodworking gold. This guy's skills are insane, combining classic techniques with futuristic tools, CNC for precision lines, and creativity that's off the charts. The final result. Renowned for its durability and power, the Woodcracker CS610 is a logging industry favorite with a powerful engine and sturdy frame. It excels at hauling heavy loads through the toughest terrains, ensuring safe and efficient timber delivery. These machines are the superheroes of the forest, hauling logs like they're just carrying groceries. Navigating treacherous roads with massive logs tests the driver's skill and determination. Sharp turns and rugged terrain demand precision and courage. "135 horsepower motor. It cuts logs up to 16 inches wide with ease. Watch trees get ripped apart like slices of bread." These automatic saws are like the superheroes of the woodworking industry. Silent, fast, and incredibly precise. Cutting wood with precision. Using state-of-the-art machines, they handle logs effortlessly, making the process modern, efficient, and mesmerizing. The RZ7000 grinder, a powerhouse in every way. With 1,200 horsepower, it's a true beast. Logs, debris, nothing stands a chance. It pulverizes everything in its path, a revolution for recycling and clearing, built for power, precision, and efficiency. Thick brush, tangled vines, no match here. These mowers slice through like a hot knife through butter, transforming wild landscapes with precision. Can you believe this DIY stump grinder? It works just as well as a store-bought version. I mean, seriously, it's pretty impressive. But before we get too carried away, let's keep safety top of mind. We want to ensure everyone stays safe while using this incredible tool. Machines like this redefine what's possible. Unmatched finesse. Meet the Wagner L600 log stacker. A true icon of timber handling, it lifts and moves massive logs with ease, as if they were mere twigs, built with unparalleled precision. It dominates every challenge in the logging yard. Oh my God, what a machine! If we saw this scene in real life, the sheer size of the logs on the Mack truck would be totally overwhelming for all of us. The Narva S3C is a true game changer. Its lightweight construction, combined with the JP23 extension boom, offers unmatched reach and efficiency. And with a Bluetooth measuring device, it ensures accurate cuts. Meet the TigerCat 2000, a forestry powerhouse. Designed for demanding logging operations, the TigerCat 2000 boasts a 400 horsepower engine. This powerhouse not only delivers impressive performance, but it also enhances productivity in the forest. Are you ready to tackle any challenge with the TigerCat 2000? Meet the Spock Fixed K for 1.5. your ultimate wood-splitting sidekick. This machine slices through logs like butter, making you wonder if it has superpowers. Get ready to be amazed, as it turns trees into kindling in no time. Ever wonder how we capture incredible shots of heavy machinery in action? Big thanks to fearless camera operators who follow the action, like the Tatra Phoenix 8x8. Plowing through muddy trails with ease. Show your love by commenting 2, or cheer for the driver with a 1. Built with one purpose, getting the job done. Pure power and relentless strength, whether you're hauling timber or tackling tough tasks. This beast delivers results. No excuses, no setbacks, just pure efficiency. The Fendt 720 for tractor in action is a sight to behold. It effortlessly pulls the Lumpkin 5-axle plow, transforming the fields with precision. Each plow turn aerates and loosens the soil, promoting healthy air circulation and microbial growth. This accelerates green manure decomposition, enriching the soil with vital nutrients. Introducing the Vermeerby C21XL, a wood crushing champion. With its optimized design and intelligent controls, and more efficiently than any competitor. 2 sharp blades work seamlessly with its chopping system, delivering exceptional performance, transforming wood piles into sawdust in a matter of moments. As you've witnessed, a truck rescuing a bus, the Action Linux blade lowers, embracing the tree. With unmatched force, it severs the tree stump in the blink of an eye. Then the blade rises automatically, ready for the next precise cut. And faster than ever, this advanced chipper handles small branches up to 10 centimeters in diameter, creating uniform wood chips, perfect for recycling or repurposing as mulching material. Woodcracker Westec and Essen Maschinen and Ag offer a trio of outstanding machines, symbols of innovation and efficiency in the woodworking industry. Imagine the Woodcracker, a hunter-like machine, capable of gripping large logs in the blink of an eye. This mobile sawmill processes rough logs with ease, handling lengths of up to 5.2 meters efficiently. Watch it turn massive logs into perfect boards, maximizing the potential of every grain. You'll be amazed at how it creates precise cuts, producing smooth surfaces as if the wood transforms with each powerful movement. The Tiger LH100 55 tool set stands out as a game changer in felling and woodworking technology. Whether facing steep terrain or dense forests, this machine tackles every challenge with confidence. This machine is a lumberjack's trusty sidekick. It chews through wood like a kid chewing candy. Ever wondered how it can turn an entire tree into splinters in seconds? Next up is the Debarking Weed 14. The ultimate tree spot treatment with a powerful 140 horsepower motor and a 15,000-pound weight capacity. Faster than a magician pulls a rabbit out of a hat. Let's meet the Meeber SADZ1300SP, your ultimate companion in the sawing industry. With a cutting capacity of 51 inches, it's built for pure performance. This machine cuts through wood like butter, a groundbreaking innovation for forestry. Efficiency meets control. This machine takes even the most complex terrains and smooths them out. Welcome to the future of land clearing. Smart, powerful, and unstoppable. Watching these guys maneuver timber down a mountain feels like a scene straight out of a movie. The focus, the precision, and the sheer courage, it's mind-blowing. Someone needs to give these drivers a medal. In 2022, Holtzbo Benz upgraded their sawing capabilities with the state-of-the-art Meringer saw frame. This advanced system offers fully automatic width adjustment, allowing for simultaneous cutting of 3 handles. No need for manual repositioning anymore. Thank you for watching. We truly appreciate you taking the time to watch our video all the way to the end. Your support means a lot to us. If you enjoyed this content and want to see more, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications. By subscribing to Heavy Tech Zone, you'll never miss out on our latest episodes and exciting updates. Stay tuned for more amazing content, and thank you for being a part of our journey.